If you're moving to China this September as an international student, watch this video carefully because there are things nobody tells you, things that can make your first day, your first week here, either super smooth or an absolute nightmare. So here are 11 realistic tips I wish somebody had handed to me before I landed. First, money. Before you leave your home, get a bank card that supports international transactions. But more importantly, set up Alipay and WeChat Pay while you're still in your home country and link your card because China is virtually cashless. You don't want to be stranded at the airport on day one, unable to get to your campus because your app isn't verified or you don't have internet. Mind you, a lot of Chinese people don't speak English. So imagine navigating that when you can't even speak Chinese. And here is a quick safety net. If you can't set up your apps at your home country, try to coordinate your arrival with your school's official pickup day or have someone in the same city wait and pick you up. Navigating an airport without local digital pay can be quite overwhelming. So having that friendly face waiting for you is actually a huge relief. Another option you can actually consider is to use your international card and withdraw cash from the ATM at the airport. Secondly, bring your home SIM card with you and keep it active. You will need it to receive OTPs and bank authorization codes. Third, install a reliable paid VPN on all your devices before you leave home. Free VPNs don't work here. Don't say I didn't warn you. Once you land, downloading or setting up a VPN becomes 10 times harder. You don't want to arrive and realize that all your 7 free VPN apps are useless. You can ask around. People have stories for days. And the next thing is pack food. Like pack spices and food items from your home. Pack as much as your luggage allowance permits because local international markets can be very expensive and you might not even find the exact ingredients you're looking for. So sacrifice some clothes space for food stuff because you can easily buy affordable clothes in China anyway. And the next thing is learn how to ride a bicycle. Shared bikes are everywhere, extremely cheap, and will be your main mode of transportation around campus. The next thing you want to do is when you land at the airport, in order to save money, you can take the metro to the station closest to your school instead of a taxi, which was what I did. So you can learn about China metro system online. It's faster during rush hour and it saves you a lot of money. The next thing you don't want to do is do not buy a random SIM card at the airport because they will upsell you expensive packages. Wait until you get to your campus or explicitly ask for a student SIM card plan. The next thing you want to watch out for is stock up on your favorite skincare, especially heavy body lotions and creams, and a special note for black girls. Learn how to make your own hair, even if it's just simple cornrows or basic protective styles, because finding salons that know how to handle your hair can be tough and pricey at the same time, depending on your city. Another thing you should look out for is budget some money to buy a good pair of sneakers when you arrive because you will walk. Here, you shall walk. You will walk thousands of steps today across huge university campuses, which is great for your health anyway. And bring your traditional cultural attire, accessories, and jewelries because universities host international cultural festivals and you would definitely want to represent your home country. Another thing you don't want to miss is start learning a little bit of Chinese. You may say you don't need it, but you do. Do not wait until you get here to start. You can never go wrong with that. And you can check out my video on 50 phrases you will need as a new international student in China. You can check out this video here or on my channel. And if you're coming in March, instead, buy the thickest winter jackets and gloves you can find before coming. Because it can be crazy cold. Know anyone coming to China in September? Share them this video to help them. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment below and subscribe for more real advice on student life in China. See you in the next video.